According to the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department's records, Kenny was last seen on November 10th, 2014 at a movie theater in Las Vegas. That same day, he called his girlfriend to say he was headed out for an overnight hike and would be camping. That call was the last time anyone ever heard from him. The area he was headed toward, the Sheep Mountains, sits on the edge of the Nevada Test and Training Range, a remote region with rugged topography. There are few trails, fewer landmarks, and in November, the temperature drops fast after sunset. But again, this was the type of hike that Kenny had done countless times before. It's what he loved. So that night, Kenny drove out alone and began his hike. But this time, he never came back.